Yan! Friends, families, and future clients, this is your dependable broker, Nick Demanlig. So I'm here right now in Barangay Bolbok in Lipa, Batangas to feature yung pinakabagong project ni Royal Properties, which is the Park in Lipa. So meron itong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilets and bath, at may napakagandang balcony. So let me show you this newest property.
Your dream house made possible by the dependable.
The Park in Lipa is a 4.7 hectare property at meron tong 469 na units lang. Meron silang dalawang type of houses. So, it's the inner unit na under construction pa yung model house. So, ang minimum lot area nito is 50, pero ang floor area nito is 60 square meters. Yan. And the second type of house is yung end unit nila, which has a minimum lot area of 63 square meters, pero yung floor area niya is 65 square meters. So, puntahan natin yung model unit ng end. Ayan. So, makikita nyo yung parking niya. Ang allocated parking niya is nasa labas. Yan. So, it's enough for 1 car garage. Yan. So, makikita nyo yung accent ng bahay. Medyo modern Asian yung type. So, tara! Yan. Pagpasok pa lang, wooden door. Yan. So, if ever na ipepurchase nyo tong property na to, lipat na lang agad kasi complete ang deliverables niya. Meaning ng complete is meron na siyang tiles, meron na siyang wall paint, sa taas may partition na din. Okay, so puntahan natin. Ito yung magiging living space mo. Tapos, ito yung first CR. Nandito yung first CR. So, medyo maluwag yung property natin dito sa The Park at Lipa. Hindi siya tinipid. Unlike dun sa mga other townhouses. Ayan. So, yung CR niya is meron na siyang mga lavatory, toilet bowl, may shower na yan. Ayan. Then, upon deliverable, meron na rin tayong ayan, kitchen sink. Ayan, meron na rin tayong granite na countertop. Tapos, ayan, meron tayong mga modular cabinets. Ayan, puntahan na natin yung second floor. Makikita nyo sa second floor natin, ang deliverables nila is naka-vinyl yung flooring. Ayan. Ito yung second bathroom. Ayan. Second bathroom, makikita nyo na full tiles na siya. Yung iba kasi minsan walang tiles, di ba? So, ito full tiles na siya. Meron na siyang lavatory, toilet bowl. So, complete na talaga. Puntahan natin yung first bedroom. So, first bedroom, approximately, this is around 6 square meters. So, kumbaga, pwede ito sa kay baby boy, kay ate. So, ito yung magiging room niya. Tapos, ang laki ng hallway niya. So, hindi siya tinipid talaga. Second bedroom, ito. So, another 6 square meters. Yan. By height, nasa around 2 point something yung height nito in meters. So, maluwag. So, nakadepende po kung ano yung magiging perspective na gusto nyo. So, since complete deliverables, ayan po, meron na siya mga partitions. And yung pinakamaganda, yung master's bedroom. Ayan. So, this is around 10 square meters. At may bonus pa na balcony. Ayan, may sliding door. Ito, maluwag yung balcony sa labas. Yan. So, maluwag yung balcony sa labas. Yan. So, hindi ko lang mapapakita dito yung hangin niya. So, kumbaga, medyo malamig dito sa Lipa. Kaya, if you're interested, ayan, if you're interested, kumbaga, you can contact me para mapakita ko ito ng personal. So, thank you for watching this video. Yan. Puntahan naman natin yung pinaka in the park. So, makikita nyo, napakaluwag na mga roads. Yan. So, ito yung pinaka spine road nila. It's around approximately 10 meters wide. Ayan. Tapos, ang amenities nito, meron tong clubhouse, meron tong basketball court, yan, meron yung kiddie playground, so pwede ka mag-jogging dito, at meron pa tong swimming pool. So, ito ang maganda dito sa The Park. Ayan. So, then, yung community, sinabi ko nga, 469 lang ang magiging unit owners dito. So, kumbaga, hindi siya ganun ka-populated. So, talagang magiging maganda yung magiging living experience mo dito sa The Park.